Morning guys, DKW Luxus van restoration. Just a quick update. It's now been sort of cleaned out. Most of the nuts and bolts have been loosened. We managed to only strip about 7 out of quite a lot of little screws and nuts and things. The beadings are off here. These have all been loosened. The nuts are just hanging on the inside. I've polished them up a little bit to see if they would be possible to use again. I don't know if we can see. They got dents in them, so that's not going to be acceptable. Okay, yeah, we did a bit of grinding, pre-grinding, sanding rather. Here you can see some of the low spots appearing. That's actually a joint, a lead-filled joint here. Possibly with tension and vibrations and things also, but although there's no inner panel here structure, so it wouldn't have been rust buildup that caused that. There have been quite a few funny things with the lead filling on this particular DKW that I haven't seen before. Lead peeling away like this. Here's some more lead on the joint on the roof. That's standard with the deeks. Here's some more lead in here where this line is, and there will be some here on all the joints. They used lead. Here we had to put a support in. For example, when we did the hammering with an impact screwdriver to get some of these screws out, just to do some support. These have all been loosened. They're ready to come out. Everything's been loosened now. I've just kept some of the things in here for alignment purposes when I start straightening out. Inside here we've loosened all the wooden parts that hold the upholstery up. They're ready to come out. They're all loose. Here the little nuts and bolts. Okay, I've lost the view on the camera there. They've all been loosened. That took quite a lot of years, here's one that I had to cut off and make another plan. Yeah, as said, everything's loosened. That's loosened. That's all loosened. It's all ready to come out. These little beading strips here, I don't think you can see that in this light. On the front dash, those little ones there, they've been loosened. Here's some that support the rubber on the edge here. They've all been loosened. These have all been loosened. Some of the best condition I've ever seen. Obviously the people weren't putting their feet up here so much. They've all been loosened. And here there's a little rubber mat strip. It's all been loosened. I see some of these have actually fallen out now. And those are self-tapping type screws. Okay, then later on we'll be sandblasting and so on. Then we'll take these out. These hold the floorboards in. They're like huge special self-tappers. Yeah, that's all for now, I think. Maybe just climb in here and go onto the roof while we still have a bit of memory on the card. Okay, that's what it looks like on top now. This has all been loosened. This can just slip right off. This aluminium. Well, I have jammed it on so it wouldn't fall off just by hand. Sorry, I'm climbing around here. Here was another aluminium slide, the back section, which is now up here. Something just happened. Camera, so we carry on. Yeah, as said, these are loose. They can just come off, but I'm not going to pull them with one hand, then I might bend them. Alright, there's probably a whole lot more that I can show you. The mouse nest is now gone. Okay, the paneling is all out. This side where the paneling was still in, pretty good condition actually. Unfortunately, yeah, the theft did all of that. They ripped out the insides of the vehicle, I realize now, to harvest a little bit of electric wiring. Here's a piece I didn't get, which was behind here. They kind of attempted to rip out this corner, and then maybe something happened and they ran away, or who knows why why he ripped it out but didn't complete it. Yeah, rather unprofessional inside the corner here without having to rip anything out. There's more wiring than here. So anyway, That's how it unfortunately happened. Okay, over and out.